God did all his work in 6 days, meaning man was created at the end of the 6th day. So the first day that man experiences is the 7th day of God, but it is the first day of man. So God's Sabbath is our first day. Come on, you got to see. Therefore, the early church recognized the first day was the first day that man came alive. And understand this, Jesus was the second Adam. The first Adam experienced a Sabbath with God. And Jesus, on the first day of the week, now is fellowshipping with God. God's Sabbath is our first day. Can you see that? Well, our Sabbath in relationship with God is our first day. Because as soon as Adam woke up at the evening, the end of the 6th day, Adam doesn't get up to work. Adam gets up to fellowship with God, which is what God expects us to do. On Adam's first day, God's 7th day. Am I confusing you? Are you getting it? It's my first day, but it's God's 7th. Meaning God has been everywhere that I got to go. See, when I get to my first day, the evening and the morning, God already created light. So in my first day, my presence is with God. And the reason why I want my first day to be with God is because all the rest of my days, God will be with me. If I started off right, it's going to end up right.